Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the ECCO Pure Teeth Whitening Pen, 1-pack gel pen kit, 35 Carbamide Peroxide, a pearl smile white as snow. Buy the items listed below with this product to make your teeth white in a hurry. Once you have all the goods in your hands, put the cheek retractor in your mouth. Once your teeth are painted with the gel, dry your teeth once more with a hair dryer. You may have to do this more than once depending on the condition of your teeth. In a matter of minutes you can tell the gel is working, and see definite results. There is no awful flavor, so it's easy to leave on for the desired time. This pen saved me a lot of time, the best for the coffee stains without more embarrassment. This pen comes with instructions on the box, and for a much more fair price than you'll get at the dentist, you can effectively whiten your teeth. So far this pen is everything you wish crest strips were, but aren't. Good flavor. It's super small so you can take it with you everywhere in case you need it. No need to feel uncomfortable with something in your mouth for an entire 30-min 1HR. Great product. There are written more detailed instructions, and then a little quick instructions on the other side of the package. Instructions say put the gel on your feet, then smile for 1 minute to let the gel dry. The process can become cumbersome, but if you put in the effort it's well worth the results. It helps if you have a night guard to apply over the peroxide so it stays on longer. Follow directions, and apply, and let it sit on teeth as long as possible for maximum whitening. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.